Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thinking about to immigrate to Canada on permanent residency basis? Then this video is for you. Before you even start thinking about to immigrate to Canada, the first question that comes to your mind is that how to start the process. And to start the process, first of all, you have to check your eligibility, whether you are eligible or not. And this eligibility can be checked by some tool. That tool is known as CRS tool. And in this video, I will show you that how you can calculate your CRS score easily by filling out some basic information. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open this Google page, type CRS score calculator, then you have to click on the very first link, and this link is of comprehensive ranking system. It is basically of the Canadian official website. So click on this and you will see comprehensive ranking system tool for skilled immigrants and for the express entry. This tool is basically used to assess your skills, education, language ability, work experience and other factors, and they have allocated the various points for each factor. So guys, without wasting any time, we will start our CRS score calculation. First of all, the first question is, what is your marital status? In my case, it is married. Is your spouse a citizen or permanent resident of Canada? No. Will your spouse or common law partner come with you to Canada? Yes. How old are you? In my case, I am 30 years of age. What is your level of education? Basically, there are two types of education. The first one is earned a Canadian degree or diploma or certificate, or the second is had an educational credential assessment, that whatever the educational qualification you have gained in your home country, you have to get assessed by some Canadian agency like WES, IQS or other agencies. And I had made a separate video for this. You can check the link in the description box. In my case, it is master's degree. Have you earned a Canadian degree, diploma or certificate? No. Official language means the English language skill test. And you have to note one thing, that your test results for the English language test must less than 2 years old. In my case, it is yes. Which language test? For the most of cases, it is IELTS. And your test score, in my case, it was the magic score of 8,777. Do you have other language results? Not applicable. Work experience, in the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work experience in Canada do you have? It is none. In the last 10 years, how many total years of foreign skilled work experience do you have? In my case, it is 9 years. So I will select the option of 3 years or more. Do you have a certificate of qualification from Canadian province, territory or federal body? No. Do you have a valid job offer supported by labor market impact assessment? In my case, it is no. Do you have a nomination certificate from province or territory? No. Do you or your spouse have at least one brother or sister living in Canada who is citizen or permanent resident? You should note one thing, that a brother or sister is related to you by blood, adoption or marriage. So in my case, it is no. what is the highest level of education for which spouse or common law partner has? Here there are again two options, and in my case it is master's degree. In the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work experience in Canada does your spouse have? It is none. Did your spouse or common law partner take a language test? In my case, it is IELTS, and the score is 7, 8, reading 7 and 6.5, and here you have to then click on the option of calculate your score. This score is basically is out of 1200, and in my case the score comes out to be here 465. So it is very simple and easy to calculate. Hope guys you will find this video very informative for you, and if you like my video then please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the regular update on Canadian immigration. Thanks guys for watching.